Let's fire this thing up. Takes it a second. It's working out the connections to everything, and it turns on. The big subwoofer amplifier just came on. Everything's ready to rock and roll. What? What? You want a back scratch? Yeah. Good old back scratch. Oh. Yeah, good old back scratch. Dun, dun, dun. What's in here? All right, I cut the end off. I have not peeked, though. Let's see what's in here. Ah. These are little dudes. Little cables. Look at that, guys. Looky there. How's that for cool? If we're lucky, that'll be the ones we'll use. These are like 8s. But I also have this. Get out of there. Release! Release the dragon. These guys. Let me get these opened up. Now, these guys are from Seismic Audio. I liked all the stuff I've gotten from them in the past. They're 1-footers. Man, these are really nice. And I got 4. They come in packs of 2. And they look really good, right? But I got, and these are connected together. But you could separate them if you wanted to, which I'm going to be. But these are from Seismic. They're like, I think they were like 13 or 14 bucks for a pack of 2, something like that. I really like those. And these are the shorty ones. I don't remember the name of this company. What is it? They are. Now, they're from cablesonline.com. I don't know. From New York City. They're New York City! Get a rope. Anyway, these may fit. I honestly like the way these look better. They got the strain relief springs on them and everything. They just look really cool. These are probably, I'm going to go check it out. We'll go look and see. All right, let's try some different options here. See what's going to work better, because these suck because they're just too long. And so we're going to test this guy here first. This is the subwoofer channel, and we're going to try one of these little, they're supposed to be 8 inches, I think. They don't really look like. Let's see. Well, I guess they probably are. It's probably about that. I thought they were shorter than that. So if we put these guys, and see, they're separate, but they have little heat shrinks on them. So you could separate these, and that's why I'm thinking it'd be cool for this operation. So looky there, if we put a black one on there or whatever. Look at that, how that's going to work. That's cool, right? I know it's not the right one, but you get the idea. So that works there. And will it work here? Yeah, obviously. But where it won't work is on that one. I was concerned about that. So it won't quite make it to this end. And I don't want to mismatch. That's the thing. So I really like those, but they're a little bit. Now, could I move this over some? Yeah, but I kind of like it where it is. So let's switch gears to these dudes here. They're 1 foot, and I think. And by the way, when you get these barrels, so the barrels are not, they don't. You got to tighten them up. Once you tighten them up, they're fine, but they will unscrew. So you could use these for. You could tell these were made. Handmade, but I do like the way they look though. So, and they will just pull apart. So let's see how that would look if I ran. Let's start with this one. Start with this back one back here. These RCAs are very grippy, these clear ones. So let's look at that. And the back is the red one, so we'll put that back there. Just, you know, now see that's clean, guys. Look how clean that looks, and it even lines up back here. I love the way these RCAs look. We're going to take a. Now, the problem with it is this one is going to be kind of bunched up, right? So that's the downside. And I could use one of these guys for this, and then the other one, but then they don't match. And I tried to order some shorter ones from Seismic. I tried to order some 4 inches and some 6 inches and some 8 inches. I wanted to order a variety, but the smallest one they made was 1 foot. And while that works good on that end one down there, how is it going to look on this? I suppose, see, I could do like a 4-incher right here, or yeah, like 4 inches would be totally fine. But where to put that extra wire is the key to make this look good. You know what I'm saying? So annoying. I suppose I could loop it, maybe. Maybe it's gonna want to do something. So now I could like loop it. I could loop it like do that. So maybe. Let's get that plugged in, and then we'll kind of see what it wants to do here. Huh. Well, that's not bad, guys. It's not great, but it's not bad. And that's the worst one, because it follows this cable. Let's see here. Yeah, see, look at that. That works. I'm not unhappy with that. I'm not disgusted by that. Now this one we're going to have to do the old separate trick. I'm not going to have 2 of them right over there. So we're going to go with the black stripe. What you might want to do if you get these is get a dab of blue Loctite and put in here, and then screw these up here, or some red, probably some blue, or the weakest version, whatever that is. Blue is the middle, red's super hard. There's one more I think that's a little bit less aggressive. Oh, that's the wrong hole. That's the output wire. Put it in there. We don't want to put any. We don't want to input anything into the output. Output is for outputting, not inputting. Oh, you weirdos out there. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Barring anything else, right? That looks way better, even with the little loop. That looks way better than whatever else you're going to do with RCAs. That looks so much cleaner, man. And the less RCA action you have running around, the less likely you are to introduce noise to the system. And these are shielded RCAs. So I'm gonna mess with these. The other ones just won't all fit. I mean, if I moved the DSP over, like here, they would probably fit, but that makes getting to that screw right there, which you guys can't see, it makes getting to that screw very hard. Of course, I don't necessarily have to put that screw in. I could shift the whole thing over to about right here, and that would enable all of them to be run with the other RCAs. But those gold RCAs, I like them. I like the way they look. I like the way they look. What do you guys think? Put it down in the comments down there. It's down there. Just click the little subscribe button and the little bell thing, and then comment. What do you think about this? Do you think I should combine the two together? I mean, yeah, I could make custom ones, but I mean, those look good.